Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more numerical problems on quadratic equations. See in this, the first problem is, in a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls and each girl contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. If the total money then collected was rupees 600, how many boys are there in the class? That means a class is there, boys and girls, in the total students 60. Total students 60. In that some girls there, some boys there. Now they contributed some amount for some donation, some purpose. Okay. Each girl gave amount equal to number of boys. That means each girl contributed how much amount means how many boys are there in that class, that many rupees each girl contributed. Like that each boy contributed how many girls there in the class, that many rupees each girl contributed. So in that way they contributed the amount. Like that they collected some amount. The collected amount was given 1600 rupees. Now what is asking means how many boys are there in that class. Okay. Now see, let number of boys in the class, let number of boys in the class is equal to x. Total students in the class, total student in the class is 60. Therefore, number of girls in the class, so total students 60, in that boys x, therefore girls how many? Total 60 minus boys number x. These are number of girls. So in x terms we got the number of boys and number of girls. Now see, amount contributed by each boy is equal to number of girls in the class, that is equal to what? See, amount contributed by each boy is equal to what? Number of girls in the class. Number of girls in the class is this much. So that much rupees each girl contributed. So this is rupees. 60 minus x rupees each girl contributed. So like that amount contributed by each girl is equal to number of boys in the class. So how many boys are there? That many rupees each girl contributed. This is each boy contributed. So how many boys are there in the class? X. So each girl contributed rupees x. Now total amount contributed by all boys is equal to all boys. See, each boy this much rupees, how many boys are there? X boys are there. So total amount by boys is x into 60 minus x. X boys are there, each gives 60 minus x rupees. So like that amount contributed by all girls is equal to, see, girls how many are there? This many are there. Each how many contributed? X. So this is also x into 60 minus x only. Therefore, total amount contributed by the class, how much? By girls, by boys x into x minus 60 plus by girls x into 60 minus x. Sorry. See, by boys x into 60 minus x, by girls also x into 60 minus x. That total is what? 60x minus x square plus 60x minus x square. Expand 60 into x, 60x, x square, 60x minus x square. So this is minus 2x square. See, minus 2x square plus 120x, 60x, 60x, 120x. So this is the total amount collected. Now according to given sum, the total amount is 1600. Therefore this minus 2x square plus 120x is equal to 1600. So minus 2x square plus 120x minus 600 is equal to 0. Minus you don't want for x square term means you can multiply with minus, because this side 0 is there. 2x square minus 120x plus 1600 is equal to 0. By 2 you can divide. So x square with divide with 2 means 60x. Divide with 2 means 800 is equal to 0. We reduced and wrote in standard form of quadratic equation. Now we can solve by factorization method. 1 into 800 is 800. Plus into plus plus only. By adding we should get 60. So split into, that means 20 into 40, right? 800 only. 20, 40, 60 only. So both minus you write. Minus 40x minus 20x plus 800 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 40, 20 common, x minus 40 is equal to 0. See. Now x minus 40 common, x minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 20 is equal to 0. So from this x is equal to 40 or x is equal to 20. Therefore what? Number of boys in the class 40 or 20. So this is the answer. If boys 40 means then girls 20, boys 20 means then girl 40. So like that. This is the answer. The number of boys is 40 also or 20 also. This will satisfy. So check once you want means. Suppose see 40, this is boys, no? Now boys 40, you check. Boys 40 means girls, because total is 60, so girls 20. Now boys, how many contributed? How many girls are there? 20 there, that much contributed. Plus 20, how many they contributed? How many boys are there? That much, 40. So 800 plus 800, 1600 total amount. So satisfied. Next, a motorboat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometers on a river whose current is running at 3 kmph means kilometers per hour, that much speed. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that motorboat maintains constant speed, what was its speed? So he is asking speed in still water. Suppose like this river is there, that river is flowing with some velocity. So suppose this direction velocity. Upstream means up against. The boat is started here. Upstream it travelled how much distance? 24 kilometers it travelled upstream. So now the speed of this water is 3 kmph. Speed of the water means that current. Current means what? Flow. The flow of the water. If water is flowing, it is having some speed. That speed of that water flow is 3 kmph given. Then when he is moving upstream, that means against the flow of the current, then what will happen? Its speed will reduce to 3 kmph reduce. When he is moving away, again he went like this, the current of this water is this direction. He went this direction. That time minus is speed is reduced to minus 3. That means x. Its speed is x. Then in upstream x minus 3. When he is coming return, the speed of the water also this side and the boat also this side add. So x plus 3. So that is. Now let speed of the boat in still water that means normal speed is equal to x kmph. Now speed of the boat in upstream, speed of the boat in upstream means against, that means what, x minus 3 kmph. Now speed of the boat in downstream, downstream means along the water current, so that means then plus x plus 3 kmph. This is the speeds. What he gave, total time taken is 6 hours he gave, that means up and down. Up 20 meters, again he only gave upstream 24 kilometers he travelled, again he came back to the same position, means again 24. So now distance travelled in upstream, distance travelled in upstream is equal to 24 kilometers. Speed in upstream, speed in upstream is x plus 3 kmph. Therefore time taken, how much time taken, t is equal to, we know, distance by speed, that is distance here 24, the speed is x plus 3 hours. So like that, distance travelled in downstream, this is what, upstream means minus, so upstream minus, see here upstream minus. Now distance travelled in downstream, this is also 24 kilometers only, so speed in downstream, is x plus 3 kmph. Now time taken to downstream, t is equal to d by s only, so d is 24 only, but speed is x plus 3. So total time taken for up and down trip. So up and down trip total time how much? For up 24 by x minus 3 plus down 24 by x plus 3. This is the total. But according to given problem, according to given problem, the total time taken he gave 6 hours. This we calculated according to formulas, but he gave this total time equal to 6, so both equal according to given problem. Now 24 by x minus 3 plus 24 by x plus 3 should be equal to 6. 6 means 6 by 1. Now LCM you take x minus 3 into x plus 3 LCM. Now minus cancel, this one into 24 means 24 into x plus 3. Now plus cancel minus, so 24 into x minus 3 is equal to 6 by 1. Now you multiply 24x plus 3, 24, 72 plus 24x minus 24, 3, 72 all by, you multiply first with x, next with minus 3, x into x plus 3 minus 3 into x plus 3, so this is 6 by 1. Now plus or minus 70 cancel, that is 48x by this one x square, x into 3, 3x minus 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 6 by 1. Here x cancels, plus 3x minus 3x. So 48x by x square minus 9 is equal to 6 by 1. Okay. Now by cross multiplication, 6 into x square minus 9 is equal to 1 into 48x is 48x only. So 6x square minus 54, this come to this side, minus 48x is equal to 0. Now what is the quadratic equation? 6x square, x term you write, minus 48x minus 54 is equal to 0. So minus is there, 54 is minus. Minus is there, that's why by subtracting we should get. See, 6 into 54 is there. By subtracting we should guess directly 54 minus 6, 48 only directly. So 6 is x square minus 54x plus 6x minus 54 is equal to 0. These only factors directly. Okay, now common. 6x you common. 6 minus 9x. Now here 6 you common. X minus here x won't be. Here x there. 6x you common means here x there, here 9 there. Here 6 common means x there, here 9 there is equal to 0. So x minus 9 into 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 is equal to 0 or 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. From this x is equal to 9 or from this 6x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 6 by 6 minus 1. Minus 1 is not suitable because these are positive values. So that's why x is equal to 6, x is equal to 9. What is x? Speed of the boat. Therefore, speed of the boat is 9 kmph. So this is the answer. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.